Welcome back, everybody. First off, rest in peace to Young Scooter. This is, but in fact, Young Thug went on a spiral though. Like he called out a district attorney, I guess the one that was on Lil Baby case, like the 4PF case. So now he said this the biggest liar in the DA office. And he posted a picture, you know what I'm saying, identified her. And I don't know what about these district attorneys between Fonnie Willis and her. Man, they bad. Like, why they got so many bad district attorneys? That's all I'm asking. But Fonnie Willis, Young Thug's district attorney, she had something to say about revoking his probation. So we got to see what she's saying about that. And this is what I'm gonna tell you. Willis, Young Thug's district attorney, she had something to say about revoking his probation. So we got to see what she's saying about that. And this is what I'm gonna tell you.
Never appropriate to threaten to murder another person. The prosecution's motion to revoke Jeffrey's probation.
Hold on.
District Attorney Fonnie Willis.
What our motion is concerned about is that we serve.
District Attorney Fonnie Willis.
What our motion is concerned about is that we certainly believe that his post was to threaten law enforcement, which is all part of gang activity.
Jeffrey Williams' attorney Brian Steele told me by phone it is never appropriate to be engaged in any type of witness intimidation. It is never appropriate to threaten to murder another person. The prosecution's motion to revoke Jeffrey's probation should not be well received and should be swiftly rejected. It is irresponsible to file a motion of this sort when Jeffrey has done absolutely nothing, Steele said, to violate any condition of probation or threaten a witness.
We know that it is clear to Mr. Williams that the intent of the district attorney is to stop gang activity in Fulton County, Georgia. We believe the judge's order is clear, and that this is an intentional violation.
Hey, District Attorney Fonnie Willis.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is concerned about.
I don't know what they did to Fonnie, but Fonnie Willis be on their ass. Fonnie Willis be on them boys. I don't know why though. But well, we kind of know why, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Allegedly, everything is alleged here. You know what I'm saying? But said somebody she was messing with was a victim of YSL, allegedly. So, you know what I'm saying? That's why I think the vendetta there. But that's just my opinion. But I could be completely wrong, though. Let's check it out, though. We got something else.
Fulton County is trying to put Young Thug back in jail, and I'm not a lawyer, and even if I was one, I'd never practice in Fulton County. But let me tell you about the motion that the DA's office just filed to have Jeffrey Williams, aka Young Thug's probation revoked. Okay, so here's the motion, and it says that since Young Thug was sentenced, he has engaged in conduct that directly threatens the safety of witnesses and prosecutors, compromises ongoing legal proceedings, and warrants immediate revocation of probation. Revocation meaning revoke or cancel. And this all has to do with the preliminary hearing that's been happening regarding Little Baby, 4PF, and OMF, because apparently Fulton County is trying to put a RICO on them. So there's this preliminary hearing that's been happening, and during the hearing, Detective Viverito, who is a detective that testified in the YSL case, was called to the stand. Apparently, there's an order for none of the witnesses in this preliminary hearing to be shown, but a, quote, known blogger deliberately violated the court's directive by posting on social media, quote, she doesn't want to be shown on screen. Well, here she is, along with a photograph of investigator Viverito. And here's where the state says that Young Thug messed up. On Tuesday, April 1st, after that known blogger made that post, Young Thug reposted the image with the caption, quote, Marissa Viverito is the biggest liar in the DA's office. I mean, if that's how he feels. And it does not say her name. The post, of course, goes viral, and this motion says that some of the comments included direct threats to investigator Viverito and her family. So this motion goes on to say that this is not just an isolated incident. It is part of a calculated campaign of intimidation, harassment, and misinformation designed to undermine the legal process. Further down, it says that these efforts have also included attempts to exploit the court's perceived stance of disdain toward the state by referring to Your Honor as YSL Whitaker. And in the words of Whitaker, is this for real, y'all? This ongoing manipulation of public perception through social media is intended to obstruct justice, silence witnesses, and threaten those who enforce the law. And so the DA's office is urging the court to take swift and decisive action by revoking Thug's probation and remanding him into custody without delay. This motion.
Yeah, man, I like women smart. I like smart women. Like that was kind of, you know what I'm saying, real thought out. But now it has just dropped that they are revoking the probation that the motion they was saying that they canceled that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna let Shadi explain to you because she's just so elegantly taught.
I'm not a lawyer, but Judge Paige Whitaker, YSL Whitaker, has already responded to the state's motion to revoke Thug's probation. And the short version is Whitaker said that post does not violate any terms of Thug's probation, but also, young Thug, settle down. More specifically, Judge Whitaker said after having reviewed the terms and conditions of defendant's probation imposed by this court, the court declines to revoke defendant's probation based on the violation asserted. But then that number one is a footnote. And the footnote says, while the court does not find that the cited social media post rises to the level of a violation, it may be prudent for the defendant to exercise restraint regarding certain topics. That was the all right, Thug, settle down now part. And so Thug remains free and Fulton County continues to do what they do.
Yeah. Yeah. So when it comes to stuff like that with Thugger, like you gotta understand this. Like it's time for him to calm down. Like he probably was emotional about his friend passing and like his other friend, little baby, like, you know what I'm saying? Cause he got a Rico building up. But this is the thing, young Thug. You're gonna have to chill out just based off yourself. Go ahead and drop the album, man. Like they were about to lock you up before you drop the album, man. Like, come on, man. Like it's okay to lay low, but it's also good to not post on social media. Like take a few days off social media or something, man. Like, cause I'm telling you, man, these people looking for anything. Fonny, she just, hey, Fonny wanna nail you to the cross. She wanna throw the book at you, boy. She told everybody move. She told Woody move. She told Mondo move. She told everybody get out the way. Trying to throw the book at Thugger. So yeah, man. And with that being said, maybe it is time to chill out, young Thug, man. Like, go ahead and drop the album, man. Like, I know everybody mourning over the passing of Young Scooter, and like, you know what I'm saying? But there's other ways to deal with that. So with that being said, man, y'all hit the like button, subscribe button, comment. Make sure y'all share the video. You know what I'm saying? Come back to the next one, man. Yeah, I'm out.